Yeah, man. Thing is that experience, you know. First time for everything. First time on frontier. Yeah. Thing is, them flight, them plane did have a problem this morning. And take off everybody off of the plane. Them two Indian people they did have a connection where them did have a miss. Which all the way a couple of people have connection but we never miss. But for them one did more drastic and they never have nothing either. So them take them off of the plane, did I book them on another flight, then after a while the flight ready. So when the flight ready now, the people must say, okay, book us back on the flight because the flight is open now. So they might tell the people and say them can't do that because whatever restrictions them have. So that will cause that little eruption there. FEMA tell life on the woman. Anyway, as I reach on the first leg and the customer service people them fairly nice. Yeah, the set of people over there, them was fairly helpful now. You know? The policies is no good. But the people them did alright. And I don't want to sound prejudiced or racist, but I'm gonna talk it as it is. The three white people them, all of them the road. All of them tell bare lie, blatant lie. Like blatant lie. Yo, me tell you, none of them never helpful. And I wonder why is that? You know? None of them never helpful at all. All of them seem like them too busy and all of them seem like they're more important than the customer. All of the black people them was helpful. Not just to me, to everybody. The Hispanic lady, she was wonderful. She was a supervisor. She never wanted to be identified, so she said, leave it at that. But all in all, it's a good vibe how it end up, all the well that ends well. Now I try to give the people them a bad name, but the policies them need to change up. Policies them need to be more flexible. Alright? So I'll visit it another time. I know about me and my cheap ticket. Experience, it good. More time when you book through third party, you not even know which airline you're going to fly from. Just book a ticket because you are trying to get to a destination at a time. And this was the best route to come up. So I said, God, life. Blessed love. Frontier, fixing the policies. Frontier employees, respect to most, you know. One love. I don't know as usual. These are them.
I can't get your luggage. So allowed to
Did you want to get on the plane?
Yeah, I'm getting on the plane, but I'm still talking about these people. You can't disenfranchise the people like that, brother.
I can't get them on. There's nothing I can do.
So can you report them US Embassy?
That's fine.
US Embassy now.
Report the name. What's your name?
I'm going on.
What's your name?
Ma'am,
What's your name?
Why
I'm going
would
to
you
ask you to
What's
back
your
up
name?
from this door,
I like.
or I'm calling the airport police to remove you.
Hold on. This is not right. This is not
This
right.
is not good.
Yeah. I'm going to make a full report
Miley,
of this.
those people are trying to block the gate door.
They're not trying to block the gate door. They're trying to get on the flight or get some information onto what they're going to do.
No, they're not.
That's
They're
all.
already rebooked.
That's what they're trying to do. They're just trying to get information. They're trying to get where they're going. Don't lie on them, brother. Don't lie. You're supposed to help the people. The people are not being helpful. And you want people to shut up and take what you're doing, but that's not right. People spend their money and spend extra money for this. You can't treat the people like that. And everybody just always sit and shut up and take everything. Could you excuse me, please?
We can't go anywhere, so
What's your name, miss?
Miley,
Miley what?
like Miley Cyrus.
No,
I
come on. You see the type of behavior?
I can't give you my
You're
last
not being
name.
professional.
I can't. I'm just
Why
telling you
not?
my name.
You're
like
the
Miley.
angel. You're the agent, right? You're the agent.
Correct. But
Yes, you're the supervisor, right? Why can't you give me your name?
I said it's Miley.
That's not a full name.
I can't give you my last name. That's a security risk.
It's a security risk for you to give a passenger your name.
Yes,
Why?
and I gave you my name. It's Miley.
I want to make a complaint about
Okay,
you.
I'm Miley. I'm
So
the
who do
only
I do?
supervisor here. That's named Miley.
You
so-
see the type of treatment? Yeah. And everybody just accept this.
What's happening?
And then if you speak, that means that you're a troublemaker. Could you get out of the way? Let me get by. Because I'm not a troublemaker, but I'm not
okay.
an idiot. This is what they do. This is how they treat people. Yeah. Frontier Airlines. Miley with no surname.
Is this your seat?
36F. Behind you. But I'm gonna put my bag up here. Yeah. This is how they treat people on Frontier Airlines. When they charge you $100 to check on and $89 for carry on. Yeah.